Providing nutrients for our onions comes with a story on this homestead. Please watch, like, subscribe, enjoy. People think gardening is just about growing plants, but for us, it's much larger than that. This started with just one onion.
So that it doesn't focus any longer on seeds and it focuses on the bulb.
Then one onion became many. We're finally expecting rain for a couple days, so we had to get out here and get this done before the rain hit. This is the lemon balm. This is the next thing we'll be tackling. But now dinner comes straight from the garden. That's why I keep planting, and that's why I keep learning, and that's why I keep teaching and telling people to garden themselves accordingly. This is way more than food. This is legacy. This was Lady Empress.